Uyena Khuzani-ke lo ohlala eshiwe, okuhlala kukhulunywa ngaye, ehlala enconywa, kuthiwa uyinkosi uMaskandi. Sawubona Ngibingelela, into Fastfood TV le. Kune-performance eshisayo, eshisa bhe, kwimpucuzeko Maskandi Festival laphana e-People's Park eThekwini. Umuntu akwangabazi amandla kaKhuzani angazi ukuthi wayethembeni. Angazi ukuthi wayethembeni. For the last couple of months, uKhuzani, since akhipha umsebenzi wakhe Angidlali Ney'ngane, ukwenye i-performance yomhlaba. Angazi ukuthi-ke lokho phansi bayokuphika kuze kube nini. Ngiyayiqala into enje. Bakhona uKing of Life, bakhona abantu abaziwayo, bakhona abantu okuthiwa isiteji bayasibamba. But when it comes to Khuzani, khohlwani bafana, kunzima kakhulu. Lo muntu okuthiwa think outside of the box. Uyayazi creativity, uyawu-understand umculo wakhe, awa-understand ama-fans. I-delivery is everything when it comes to i-performance, and Khuzani just did that. Angazi ngampela ukuthi khona nomuntu owaphinde akhave kuKhuzani. We know, I understand ukuthi eminyakeni eyedlule amanye ama-performance ade bakhona phana kuyimpucuzeko is not one of the best ayewenza uKhuzani, kodwa wayeyakhona ewazama. I know futhi ukuthi kunabantu ababaziyo ukuthi mabe bangena khona into abazoyenza. Angazi kwenzekalani labo bantu labo, but by far uKhuzani uhamba yedwa. Akekho even umuntu osondela kuyena when it comes to i-performance. Into esifuna ukuyibona, into ehlala siyigqugquzela, sihlala siyitshela abantu ukuthi uKhuzani is not about uqhawe lami ukuthi usupport-a bani, ufavor bani. Into engasho lutho lokho. uKhuzani uyadeliver. And izolo, he did deliver. Performance, angazi yeminyaka of the decade of what. So, ilokho kumele si-understand nguMaskandi. Ilokho esifuna ukukubona. Ukudlalela istage, ukudlalela abantu bebe-entertained ngayo yonke indlela. Lo nto esifuna ukuyibona. I know ukuthi for the couple of times uKhuzani kunalapho abamkhopha khona. Naye izinto ayibonile uyikhophe somewhere. Uyithandile wayikhopha somewhere. Nawe wasezoyideliver kuphi la kuMaskandi. But abantu-ke bona-ke i-creativity ngeke nibeze beyifunele. Bohlala bekopisha uKhuzani. Iyona ndlela yokuthi if befuna ukubhekana noKhuzani bazokhopha isitayela asenzayo, i-event ezolandela enkulu. Angeke kubasiza lokho. Angeke kubasize. For the fact that ungomunye wabantu abanominathiwe kwi-Best Maskandi Album. Kumele kukutshele lokho ukuthi yena uKhuzani usebenze kangakanani. Umuntu singayi ngamazondo, singayi ngenzondo esingayazi ukuthi sayithatha kuphi, ibuyaphi, yayisukephi. Wezwa usutshela ukuthi uma ufavor iqhawe elithize ushuthi kumele umzondo ubani. Without i-proper investigation. Uyophuthela ubumnandi, uyophuthela ukurealize ukuthi kuMaskandi there's more to it than indaba yoqhawe lami. Sibonge Khuzani, sibonge ithimba lakho, sibonge ukubona i-performance eshisa kanje. Angazi mina le performance sisazophinde siyiboneni. Sike sayibona i-performance enzima laphana kwi-Mother of All Maskandi Festival ngeyi-5 zika-April 2025 laphana eThekwini. Ngiyacabanga ukuse Moses Mabhida People's Park futhi. Lapho uLimit ahamba khona neQuantum eyayivotela, nje umuntu wayavotela. Lapho waphinde wakhala abantu abaningi bekhalela enye insizwa laphana kwaMabizela. Ababephinde bekhala futhi makubona uKhuzani kuma-awards amasamba. Kodwa oKhuzani bakuprova lokho. Day in, day out. They deliver the goods. Bakhipha ama-album amnandi, bayaperforma, iy'ngoma zabo zenza kahle online. Although zingawona lushuni lo abantu asebefuna kube yiwo. Lo okulula ukuthi zonke izizwe ziwulalela. oKhuzani ngoba basaperforma uMaskandi lo okuvele kuyona wona. They suffer the consequences ukuthi kumele begxekwe ngoba manje basastikhe kuMaskandi. Okuyinto engenamsebenzi leyo, okuyinto isisize ngalutho. Angeke sonke phela siye endaweni eyodwa. Because it means leyo genre le izovele ife. Siyabonga nje bafowethu energy engaka. What an energetic performance. Mina nje excited kakhulu ukubona into ekanje. I know nabanye baperformile, I know abanye they delivered the goods. I know ukuthi yena it was a long tiring night. Abantu ade besebenza kanzima beyopractice lama performances. Abanye ade bengayanda kwamanye ama-event bebelinde nje le event impucuzeko. This is what you want. This is what you want to see This is what we've been waiting for. Let's emphasize ukuthi na Impucuzeko is one of the best maskandi festivals akhona in our lifetime. So sibonge kakhulu ukuthi sikubonile lokho. Ma-Blue Nation, sidlamleze nezidlamlezekazi. Nazi ukuthi nakhetha kahle la. Nakhetha inkosi yomaskandi. Ukhuzana uhlele kuprove ukuthi wayeyinkosi, wayesalida until today. It's no longer about ama-numbers alapha online. Ama-numbers last 2 years. It's about i-longevity ya over 15 years. Ngiyabonga, nisale kahle.